Are you new to martial arts but don't know where to start? If you want to learn martial arts, there's nothing that can replace training under an experienced instructor. In order to start training, you'll have to find a martial arts school in your area and sign up for your first class. From there, you'll need to attend the class regularly, stay humble, and listen to the instructor to improve. With enough dedication and hard work, you can learn to become proficient in martial arts. But how do you choose such an art? First, you have to assess what you are looking to get out of it. Are you a parent looking to enroll a child? Are you trying to get fit through an art form? Do you want to gain discipline and structure in your life? Or are you looking for that self-defense class that gives you confidence? Either one of these is enough of a starting point. And you may be limited to, a certain area and may not want to travel, so you have various options to go off. First, research what you have in your area. Second, look up these gyms and dojos on YouTube, Instagram and online to get a better feel for the crowd that goes and the training they provide. It can also be a great insight on the instructor and the style of instructor. Rule 1. Don't go into your first class with something to prove. You will embarrass yourself and potentially you could hurt you or someone else. Rule 2. Be honest when describing your skill level to that instructor so they know your capability. There is also nothing worse than going to your first class and getting completely gassed. Rule 3. It is a process. Don't expect to become a master instantly. Most martial arts take decades to master, and gradings can be far and in between. Think of it as school or college. Show up and learn the material, and continue that until it's time for a test. If you are not prepared for the test, you will fail. And if you fail, you will see the work you put in wasn't enough and obviously didn't give it its full attention deserved. Most instructors will know if you are ready or not for a grading just by watching your progress and recapping what they have taught you from a grading syllabus. Now, choosing the right art for you is key. Going back to the wants earlier, parents who want their child to gain discipline and have a hobby. You can never go wrong with karate. It is probably the most popular martial arts, and for a reason. And most likely every city and every town will have some sort of karate dojo. So it's an easy one to get kids signed up for. A lot of advanced fighters and competitive fighters have a base in karate or would have trained in some form or some point in their career. Karate teaches discipline. It carries a great camaraderie, and the self-defense benefits are endless. Other martial arts you may find beneficial are Taekwondo, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Aikido and Judo. For those trying to get fit, any martial art will help. Physical exercise of any kind is not only good for the body, but the mind. The one I have found the best, the ones I like to call the sweat combat sports, are Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Muay Thai, kickboxing and boxing. These will throw you in the deep end and expect you to work hard and work fast. If you are a smoker and are looking to stop while starting an art, I would recommend Muay Thai. After your first class, your lungs will be on fire from the cardio, and you will never want to put your body through it again. Discipline and structure come hand in hand with martial art, but for optimal discipline and dedication, I would recommend Kung Fu or again, karate. They both encompass a passion towards self-defense while maintaining a non-violence ethic, creating the calmest and most laid-back martial artists in the industry. Confidence is key to martial arts. It comes in time once enough practice and dedication is put in. There is something very humbling about throwing a punch and getting one thrown back. And once this starts to happen, you realize the skill level you have acquired. But more importantly, you come to terms with being able to take a punch. And I found this to be the most of a boost to any ego. Other art forms I could recommend for adults would be Arnis, Kali, Eskrima, Krav Maga, and MMA. A good MMA gym will give you a base in a lot of forms and can be beneficial as a holistic practice. For those with reduced mobility, back problems, and other aches and pains, arts such as Tai Chi, yoga, and Pilates can be of great benefit to loosen up and train muscles. It supports joint and bone structure. If you want to incorporate dynamic stretching and mobility exercise, Animal Flow is one of the best for a current martial artist. Of all the forms I have studied, it provides the best movement and stretching to work out your body and gain that extra movement for your form. I will be putting together more of these videos for those who want to start martial arts. Basically, I'm going to give you the tools you need to help yourself. So tomorrow I will be breaking down gear for at-home workouts and showing you, more helping you, how to get into a routine to help you practice daily while you're waiting for your next class to come around. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow.